Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ghufron Syifa from the Informatic Engineering Study Program. Here I will present my general research about poverty data model as decision tools in planning policy development. Okay, let's go straight to the presentation. And in slide 1, the objective of the research. This research has several objectives, one of which is to implement policies in poverty reduction effort, and of which is to conduct a survey to assess the poor using the discovery knowledge in database or KDD method. And then the problem of the research. Okay, and then the problem of the research is the information generated from the poverty database only include a recapitulation of the poor by region or location. And next slide. This method of research. For the use of the research method is quantitative method. In conducting research, the method used is discovery knowledge in database or KDD method. Knowledge discovery in database is an activity that include the collection as of historical data to determine regularities, pattern, or relationship in large dataset. The output of data meaning is widely used for decision making in the future. Next, data collection. And one, data understanding. Data understanding is namely the process of understanding data based on data requirement. This process includes data collection and data description. Next, data preparation. Data preparation is namely processing which consists of data selection and data cleaning. The process of selection and data cleaning data is tailored to the needs and clearing of data from data redundancy or data where the wrong type of data is carried out. Next, data transformation. The process of converting data into other format according to analysis needs. And finally, data mining modeling, which is a process to obtain data pattern and characteristic, and this takes the clustering method use. And finally, in method is technique of analysis data. This process includes data collection and data preparation, which is carried out in the process of selecting data that is tailored to the needs, so that later it can solve a certain problem. Next is finding and discussion. From the explanation, the research is interested in looking at the pattern of data relationship per region regarding poverty according to age, education level, occupation, housing condition, how to obtain drinking water, and lighting, which are indicators that are applied. This process is a data collection process where the data collects and use come from the PPLI's poverty database designed by BPS, which was protected by TNP2K in 2011 in Ogan Komering Ilir or Oki Regency, South Sumatra Province. The data used include family data and property data from 18 sub-districts in Ogan Komering Ilir Regency, South Sumatra Province. At this stage, several data sources are combined or integrated, first into a data integration that is tailored to the target data to be used in the data mining process. And finally, in conclusion, is based on the research that has been done. Seven pattern of information obtained from the KDD method can be used to assist the government in understanding poverty data patterns. The 7 patterns of information are of grouping poverty data based on poverty indicator distribution of poor information in each region. The result of 7 patterns in this information will be transferred into a web-based application that can be used by the government in understanding poverty data patterns. It is very helpful to provide useful information to the government in making development planning policy decisions that will have an impact poverty reduction. That's all my journal research. If there are mistakes, apologies. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.